A year ago, I said a prayer asking God for something I needed. The thing I asked for hasn't yet manifested. Recently I asked again. I went on a long hike in the mountains, the most spiritual place I knew, and asked the universe again for what I needed. A silent voice responded. I heard you, the first time you asked. It wasn't the answer I expected, and it nailed me to the ground. Oh, ye of little faith. At what point did I lose my faith and start to doubt the promise of the Spirit? Everything you ask for in prayer will be yours if you only have faith. I've asked. I believed. Then, I didn't. I went to ask again. I've realized that faith is a test we must pass to receive what we want. Do you believe in the unseen? Do you trust that manifestation is happening despite no tangible results? Do you believe that you deserve your dreams and desires? I spent the next few days asking many questions, meditating and journaling about my faith-worthy relationship with higher power. Here is what I concluded. God, the universe, is Sat Chit Ananda. It's blissful consciousness by nature. It's good and friendly to you. It wants what you want. Take it as a fundamental truth. Wallace Wattles in his famous book said substance is friendly to you and is more anxious to give you what you want than you are to get it. Don't bargain nor ask repeatedly. Ask once, and you shall receive. After you asked, it's a done deal. 2. Your timing is not God's timing. What you want may not show up according to your schedule. Trust the divine timing. You simply don't know how much time it takes to manifest an experience in the physical world. You and I didn't create the earth. We have little understanding of how things work in the spiritual domain. Faith is the only way for you to trust the divine timing. 3. You also don't need to know how things will make their way to you. Jenna, a friend of mine, needed a large sum of money. She assumed that God would magically help her win a lottery. So every day, she bought lottery tickets without results. Gradually Jenna became more and more disappointed, more and more desperate. What if the universe has another channel for your money to come from? I suggested. Leave some more options on the table beside the lottery. One day Jenna was cleaning the attic in her parents' house and found a box with old toys. In that box, there was a collectible figurine. It may be worth something, she thought, and listed it on eBay. To her surprise, the toy was sold for nearly $1,000, with multiple biddings almost overnight. Don't put conditions on the universe or how your dream is supposed to be manifested. Trust that God has multiple forces at his/her disposal. One way or another, have faith and trust the divine timing.